Good afternoon, first graders. This afternoon in here, we are going to be going through our research process on our planets. So when you get logged into your computers, I need you to go to the elementary library homepage like you do every week. On this first page though, instead of clicking on the first grade tab like we normally do, right here on the very first home page of the elementary library site, I want you to go in the second row and go over to PebbleGo. It's the one that has the red oval and it says PebbleGo, and click on that icon. That will take you to this database that we use in here quite a bit. Remember that the username MPEL is the same as the password. So these two boxes both are going to have MPEL, and then you can click the yellow Go button. Okay, now once we're in here, we are learning about the planets and the moon and the sun and the stars. So we are going to click on the science option. You can see right here there's a little picture of the Earth, so you can tell that that would be in the science section. So I'm going to click on science here. And we are going to be learning about Earth and space sciences. So I'm going to click on this one right here. And in here, I have 4 different categories again, and the one we want is the one that says Space Science with the stars icon. So click there. Now, once I get here, I want everybody to go into the solar system. This one is just going to give you a general overview about the solar system. So I want you to go to what is the solar system, this one right here. Click on that, and again, once I get into one of these options, I can click on the yellow speaker button and it will read for me the information. Up here across the top there are several different tabs, so click over to a new tab to learn more about the same topic. Okay, all right, great. Now I'm going to go back to my space. And once you've gone through and learned about the solar system, now if you have the moon or if you have one of the planets, you're going to choose the planets option. Looks just like the picture of Jupiter on here. If you are a stars, if stars was your research topic, you are going to click on the stars option. So if I click on stars, if I have the stars option, otherwise I'm going to click on planets. Once I get into planets, I have Earth, Saturn, Uranus, Jupiter. I have all of my planets in here. The only one we're not going to use is Pluto. So I want you to go ahead and click into your planet. So if I had Saturn, I'd click Saturn. Okay, now once I get into my planet, down here there's a little pink crayon that says the word activities. I'm going to click on the pink crayon, and that is going to bring up 3 little print buttons. We are going to print the top one where it says share what you know. I'm going to click print. On here, once you print it out, I want you to put your name at the top. And then this is where you can start writing down some notes as I go through each of my little tabs up here. Okay, so you're going to write down some facts that you learned on this page right here. My favorite thing about Saturn, fun fact or facts about Saturn. So you're going to write down some things here. This right here is for a picture, but we're going to do that probably in a different class period. So don't worry about the picture for now. Today, just worry about jotting down some notes as you listen to your planet. Okay? So go ahead to print this. Again, remember if I hover my mouse over the very bottom of the screen, I get a little print icon over here. It's the very end one. I click it once, it brings up a little preview of what my print's going to look like, and then I click the blue print button again and it will give me my print out on the printer behind Miss Hubbard's desk. So go ahead and print those and then write your name and start taking some notes as you're listening to the information through across the different tabs about your planet. Good luck, and we will revisit this next time.